smooth ride. Gotta ride an elephant. You gotta come to Phuket.
I don't have any more. He's wild.
Whoa. Honey, are we there? Whoa. It's only a two-seater, but it has a huge trunk.
And they let you drive. It was wonderful.
Utterly amazing. Never in my dreams did I think I would be sitting on top of an elephant's head.
Right there we go.
There you go. The ride was fabulous. I was a little scared. I traveled by myself on an elephant. Kind of rocky, but it was very cool.
Great to get out of the cage and ride right behind his ears.
Yeah, go XanGo. Help. Oh my God.
My children will never believe that I'm doing this.
Go XanGo.
Oh, this is first class. Luxury at its finest. Only XanGo way.
Yeah.
Go, baby.
Go XanGo.
Don't miss it. Don't try this at home.
Big shot now.
This is magic, absolutely magic.
Go, XanGo!
It's been good. It's like never seen something like this before. This is excellent. Everyone should be here. It took about 1 year for me to be in XanGo, and I became a premier, and it's fun. XanGo is the best opportunity yet I have found. I have never done network marketing before in my whole life. This is the first time I did it, and I think it's pretty easy to do it. Just keep on talking about XanGo and everything is done for you.
Easy there.
That's how I feel after a run in the morning.
Hey!
Hey!
Beach walking. What an experience.
Woo! Trip of a lifetime.
Looking for the elusive mangosteen.
Oh, incredible. Fill her up. Lots of hard work, but it's all worth it. Don't hold back. Jane, Tarzan. Ran across XanGo about a year and a half ago and just fell in love with it, and the juice is incredible.
Ride 'em, cowboy.
But the mangosteen fruit is delicious, and it finally got to taste it. It's been a life-changing experience.
Elephant ride, $500.
We're on an elephant in Thailand. You gotta do this.
The monkey show, $20. XanGo membership, priceless.
Thank you, XanGo.
I guess we have that distinction of being the oldest premiers or oldest 100Ks. So we made 100K on our way over here. So this is exciting. You can do it too. Just keep doing it.
Go, XanGo!
I don't know what was worse, the parasailing or this. What is
You have any children?
Okay.
Fantastic.
Yeah, if we come back. If we don't send out a search for me, please. Gotta get down here.
XanGo, look at this. Australians, we want you to be here. Next year, okay?
Thanks, Joe. That's a real giddy up. Right. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Hey, check this out. Discovery. Thailand is absolutely fantastic.